3 provinces, 3 days, up to 30 centimeters of snowfall. We've got a major winter storm brewing, and what that means for us across the Prairies is significant snowfall, but there are variations. First up, Saskatchewan. This is mainly the southeast pocket of the province seeing the brunt of this, and this snow begins later on Tuesday, takes us through the day on Wednesday. Regina, 15 centimeters of snowfall, but to the south and east, you're in that range of 20 to 25 centimeters of snowfall. Now into southern Manitoba, a wider swath of heavier snowfall through the region. A general 15 to 20 centimeters for you. In the Winnipeg region, 10 to 15 centimeters, but notice down toward the south and west of Winnipeg, up to 25 centimeters possible. Now into northwestern Ontario, your snowfall arrives Wednesday and lingers into Friday. A widespread 15 to 20 centimeters along Highway 11 and south, but watch out, Highway 17, 102, 61 near the Thunder Bay region, perhaps as much as 30 plus centimeters of snow.